नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं अनिरुद्ध, आप सभी का सिविल गुरुजी और स्वैग से स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल में। बहुत दिनों के बाद हो रही है मुलाकात। तो एक्चुअली मेनी पीपल वर रिक्वेस्टिंग अबाउट द जियोमैटिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, जो कि इस बार फर्स्ट टाइम इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुका है इन गेट 2022। सो व्हाट टू रीड फ्रॉम, कहाँ से पढ़े, क्या पढ़े, ये सारे चीज़ें हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले। वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैट इन डिटेल and whether it's possible and how to actually ensure a good marks in the last 4 months in the Geomatics Engineering paper if you're appearing and taking that as paper 2. So stay tuned till the end of this video. I'm going to say everything in detail. तो अगर आप सिलेबस को देखो सर, फर्स्ट पार्ट एक्चुअली ऑल तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, बट मैथ आपकी तो सर वो अलग बात है। बट हियर एक्चुअली दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सर्वेइंग। एक चैप्टर होता है जो नॉर्मली हु आर फ्रॉम सिविल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड दे डेफिनेटली नो इट दैट देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर कॉल्ड एरर एंड एक्यूरेसी करके एक चैप्टर आता है। It is exactly that chapter. If you just look at accuracy, precision, most probable number, जो होता है ना MPV, most probable value, some calculations, statistical calculations, the least square method, okay, chi-square test, ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं, correlation coefficient, the statistical things actually, everything are normally discussed in this particular chapter only, and this is exactly the same chapter. Those people who are from Vision batch, if anybody has learned surveying from me, अगर कोई मुझसे सर्वेइंग पढ़ चुके हैं तो डेफिनेटली he or she knows, and I have dealt with that chapter, error and accuracy. So it is exactly that. Now coming to remote sensing part. Remote sensing part, trust me, you have to study a little bit detail actually. You can go a little bit detail. For that you can follow this particular book over here, Surveying and Leveling by Subramanian, the Oxford edition actually, Oxford publication book actually. So I am just leaving the link in the description. You can purchase that book from Amazon. Don't worry, stay tuned till the end of the video. I have a surprise for all the Geomatics Engineering students, so stay tuned for that. Okay. तो GNSS और Global Navigation Satellite System and also the DGPS, जो कि थोड़ा अलग है, Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS. These two things you have to study actually, and for that thing you can refer to a book. This particular book, which is written by Basudev Bhatta, which is also available on Amazon. देखो अभी सेल वेल भी आ रहा है, okay, in Amazon. So instead of buying some unnecessary things, you can invest your money a little bit on this particular books, which are very very important for you people, which are going to be okay. So moving on to the syllabus part once again back actually. So the remote sensing part actually, electromagnetic spectrum, these things actually are there. GIS on the other end. So these are there somewhat in the ESC prelims syllabus. ESC के लिए जो तैयारी कर रहा है एक्चुअली, ESC prelims syllabus, that is there in the civil engineering part also, but here it is the main thing. So you are understanding you have to really work much harder in the remote sensing part and in the electronic measurement part actually. Okay, the GPS, GIS, this particular thing. Acha. So for this, what is the source? I will let you know at the end of the video, and how you can avail that also I will tell you at the end of the video. So stay tuned definitely. Okay. After that, coming to your the section 1, what they have mentioned over here, that's the maps, land surveying and aerial photogrammetry. Trust me, except the maps we study also, but not in this much detail जहाँ जितना कि आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ना है, because एक मैप में जितने सारे components होते हैं ना, वो आपको जानना है सर यहाँ पे। एक कोई भी जो सर्वेइंग का मैप होता है normally, or you can say an image which is captured by a remote sensing, अगर आप देखोगे तो उसमें बहुत सारे चीज़ें होते हैं। The types of maps and scales इतना तो हम पढ़ लेते हैं, right? Also the plotting accuracy etc etc, वो जो 1/40 सेंटीमीटर एक सम करते हैं सर प्रॉब्लम, those people who know it actually. Offset, limiting length of offset calculation etc etc, that is there. अच्छा, but what is extra here, that is आपको जो पढ़ना है, जो कि है सर कार्टेशियन एंड जियोग्राफिकल कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम्स के बारे में से थोड़ा पढ़ना है, which you normally don't study in your surveying. आप ये सर्वेइंग में नॉर्मली नहीं पढ़ते हो, राइट? But the rest of the part, if you look at actually, that is WGS 84, ये सब जो चीज़ें सब that you have to study basically. But after that, the rest of the part, land surveying and aerial photogrammetry, this is exactly the surveying that you read. तो आपको कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं पढ़ना है. लेवलिंग, कॉम्पास, थियोडोलाइट, टोटल स्टेशन के बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ना है, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट वेरी मच देयर इन गेट सिलेबस, बट यू हैव टू स्टडी दैट. यू कैन रेफर टू दैट ऑक्सफोर्ड बुक ओवर हियर, ओके, फॉर दैट टोटल स्टेशन. Okay, tachometric surveying, trigonometrical leveling, traversing, triangulation, etc. things are there. Aerial photogrammetry also, you can you have to study obviously in a little bit detail. आपको थोड़ा detail में पढ़ना है, but you can actually study that particular thing. After that comes a very important thing, that is your data quantization and your processing. यहाँ पे सर देखिए, it's little bit of mathematical thing. Suppose Fourier transformation. Okay, sampling, quantization theory, these are all mathematical concepts. So Fourier transformation, you can follow some lectures on YouTube to know about what is Fourier transformation. That is going to help you in math as well as in this syllabus as well. रही बात डिजिटल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग, रेडियोमेट्रिक, जियोमेट्रिक करेक्शंस, इमेज एनहांसमेंट, इमेज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड इमेज सेगमेंटेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन. So all these things actually you can refer to this particular book. It is really helpful going to be. बट ऑल दिस थिंग्स इफ यू सम अप, एक्चुअली अगर आप सम अप करते हो यहाँ पे, तो ये जो चीज़ें यहाँ आपको लिटरली पढ़ना है, ये आपको कहीं से बाकी जगह से नहीं मिलने वाला है. जैसे कि आपकी इमेज एनहांसमेंट, इमेज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, ये सब चीज़ें क्या होता है, इमेज सेगमेंटेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन, ये सब चीज़ें क्या होता है, ये आप नॉर्मली सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के सिलेबस में नहीं पढ़े हो. तो लेट्स जस्ट डिस्कस वन सेकेंड कि कॉमन क्या क्या है सर. कॉमन सर आपके इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स वाला जो पार्ट यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, दैट इज द सर्वेइंग एरर एंड एक्यूरेसी चैप्टर, एग्जैक्टली पूरा वो पार्ट है. अच्छा, remote sensing we study only 5%, but it is actually 100. Rest of the 95% we have to study right now. Image sensing का हम 10% पढ़ते हैं, right? So we have to study the rest of the 90%. कहाँ से पढ़ेंगे? Just stay tuned. Okay. What extra सर GPS, GIS के जितने ESC prelims के extra questions है, previous year questions. Okay. Study all those things. Solution देखो, उसके concept जहाँ सर वो पढ़ो. After that, the part B, the section 1, section 2, whatever is there. Part B, section 1 is exactly civil engineering survey. जो civil engineering surveying में वही सिर्फ है वहाँ पे. Except the one part that is the different parts of the maps. ठीक है. Part B, section 2 में अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, that is the whole thing that you have to study on your own. ये आपको खुद से पढ़ना है. That is your image enhancement, all these things actually, digital image processing and थोड़ा mathematics वाला भी चीज़ें, Fourier transformation and stuff like this. Okay. So this particular part actually, what you have to do is that you join my particular channel. Okay, that is a Telegram channel. Okay, definitely you will join, or just you can do one thing actually. Okay, you just mail me for this particular thing. This is a specific resource which is not available a lot. थोड़ा important resource actually. It's a particular book where from the IITians actually, जो वहाँ पे Geomatics Engineering के पढ़ाया जाता है basically, they people follow this particular book normally. Okay, so I am going to share that book with you people. Just what you have to do is that just mail me in this particular mail ID so that I can share that particular PDF with you people. Okay, and I'm just going to send share over you people the total PDF which is actually required, considering all the parts that is that you have to study from this book, that book, जो सर आपको पढ़ना है total. I am going to share that particular thing, making a total PDF actually. So total of 2 PDFs. So definitely you can join that. Okay, because these sources are not available. These sources are बहुत सारे available नहीं, because it's the first time they're taking up the examination. So obviously I'm expecting your mails over there. Obviously with very affordable things actually you can get access to this PDFs. Okay, take care, bye bye, thank you. So meeting you at my next video very soon. तो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबा देना, ज़रूर से सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबा देना, and definitely do hit the like button, share this video with other people. Thank you for being here for so long. Take care, bye bye, thank you.